In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Slack using Zapier. First, open Gumroad in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, make sure your products are already published and your account is ready to receive sales. After that, open Zapier and create a news app. For the trigger app, search for Gumroad and select it. Now choose the trigger event called New Sale. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key so Zapier can access your sales activity. Once the connection is complete, choose the product you want to track if needed. After that, select Slack as the action app. For the action event, choose Send Channel Message. Now connect your Slack workspace to Zapier. Then select the Slack channel where you want the sale notifications to appear. You can customize the notification message with details such as the buyer name, product purchased, order price, customer email, or purchase date. After configuring everything, run a test to make sure the notification appears correctly inside Slack. If the test works properly, click Publish to activate the automation. Now every new Gumroad sale will automatically send a notification to your Slack channel in real time. You can also create a dedicated sales channel in Slack and add emojis or formatting to make the alerts easier to notice. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Slack using Zapier. Thanks for watching and goodbye.